welcome anyway, even though there's no one here. Post-premiere stream, April 8th, 2022. We are coming from outside. Hi, Trey Master. Coming from outside, really nice out here. I just made a short, well, not just, actually, yeah, like an hour ago or so. I mean, because I came home after 7th period, so I've actually been home for a while already. It's really nice out here, actually. Come on, Light. Come on, what? Hi, Blue. Well, I don't know, I'm out here. I'm just enjoying the weather out here. I mean, I was inside for the premiere, but just came out here literally right now to start this stream. And I made the short out here as well. I think it's actually like warmer than it was when I made the short. There we go. Was the stream buffering before or something? It might have been buffering. Yeah, but I think it's actually warmer right now than it was when I was making the short. It's like supposedly in the 60s, 68. I'm not saying bad words, Blue. It's in the 60s, probably like 68. You know why? No, I probably feel so warm because of the sun right there. That's very bright. Sun is very bright, so it feels warmer right now. I was waiting for you to start the stream. Well, yeah, there you go. I started the stream. Yeah, for you it might have been a little bit delayed because I started the stream on my end, but for you it probably didn't start yet. Hot weather is here. Yeah, I wish, Blue, but at the same time, like, I checked the weather for the next few days. Windows Phone, STP. Well, hi, STP. But yeah, I don't think the weather is going to be super warm, actually, because when I checked the weather, I mean, I could be wrong. The prediction could also be wrong, but I saw that it's going to be like 50 something for most of the next week and even the week after, which kind of sucks. Can't read. Play Train Sim World 2 Harlem Line. I would Train Master, but I only have like I could play maybe for a very little bit, but I have like 10 minutes until I have to eat dinner, so not sure if that's entirely possible right now. But yeah, Blue, as I was saying before, right? I wish hot weather's gonna stay, or at least warmer weather like right now. I wish that this would stay, but 50s are soils weather. Soils weather, okay. Solid. 50s are solid. Really? Is 50 solid? I don't know. I don't really. 50s are, because you still need a jacket for 50s. It doesn't feel like spring for me. It just kind of feels like 50s like too cold. 50s like, for me, 50 is a weird point. So I like it either if it's like really cold, let's say like 30 degrees or something like that. Let's say if it's like 30 degrees and snow, that I like. Either that or it's like in the 70s, 80s, 90s. 60s is fine too. 60s is pretty good actually for like a little bit cooler weather. I like 60s as well, but I don't. 50s and below is like, nah, better than 30s. Yes, but for me though, my logic is if it's 30s and snow, 30s is better because of the snow. If it's just depressingly cold, it's like 30 degrees and there's no snow or anything, then yeah, 50s is better than 30s. But with 50s, snow is not possible. Like 50s and rain, that sucks for me at least. Even 30s, like 35 and rain, like that's even worse. For me at least. But if it snows, then that immediately makes it better. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside. It's hot in here now. I know, Blue, my logic doesn't add up, I know. I like snow, that's the thing. I don't care. By the way, if you ask me this question in the middle of August, like what my favorite season, I would pretty much say winter and cold weather. Because that question, it's so biased because everyone just gets like not everyone, but at least me, I just get tired of like a certain type of weather. So in the middle of summer, in August, when it's been 90 degrees for days, let's say, then I'm literally gonna say, if you ask my favorite season, I'm gonna be like, oh, winter, I want cold weather, I like cold weather. But if you ask me this question now, like when I'm kind of tired of cold weather, I want warm weather, I must say I like warm weather and weather and 90 degrees. Lagging, yeah, that makes sense. I'll go to my room, yeah. I know it's lagging because I just. It always does this because I just changed look. Right now. How about that? Is the stream better? I'm just gonna ask that before I do anything because it could still be lagging for all I know. Why do you have hair on your face? Because I do. Better? All right, good. All right, anyway. Master, I can solve that problem right now if you want. Let's see. I don't know how exactly I'm going to do this. And again, like, I'm going to have to eat dinner basically like any minute now. So, basically any minute now. So I might not be able to. Would you go bald for $1 million? Yeah. I can grow my hair again, you know. Of course of course I would. I just grow my hair back afterwards, literally. That's a perfect deal. Perfect deal, literally. It's a free $1 million right there. Okay, anyway, Traymaster, probably not $1. It's not worth it. For $1 million, though, yeah, it's worth it. Traymaster, I'm looking for your. Okay, I see your problem. But show my work I'll show my work here. Let me write it down. I'll do it at my desk, my other desk. I'm just gonna write it down. Okay, back. Bro, I would do almost, yeah, pretty much as well. I would pretty much do anything for $1 million, unless it's something like really ridiculous. 4 times 1 plus 3 squared plus 4 cubed all over 2 cubed. Okay. Most people would. Yeah, true. Okay, so here, I'll show my work for this Trainmaster. Let's see if I can get a nice little paper setup going in here. Yeah, see, it would be nice if I can just like, I don't think that's possible though. Like to have it, let's see, orientation is locked. Great, of course orientation is locked. Can I be living environment for 8th grade? Yes, you can, Blue. I did living environment in 8th grade myself. It's possible. It's more difficult when you're in 8th grade. So actually, like, I struggled with it. It's difficult. It's a commitment, but it's possible. Smash my PC. Yeah, okay. But at least for me, like, it's possible. It's just really difficult. You have to put in a lot of work into living environment in 8th grade, for me at least. But the people that I know who have taken it in 9th grade said that it's like super easy. And I'm like, how is this super easy? It's not like the curriculum is any easier, but it's just because I took it a year earlier. Like, it was way harder for me than for most people. But you can, Blue. Okay, well, I can't really show the paper, but let's see. I can hold the camera, but okay, here's my work. So, all right, I will just take an 8th grade. Okay, I think you have to be accepted into it as well, though, but I'm sure you will. Okay, anyway, so Traymaster, by the way, hopefully you're here. So 3 squared, okay, so that's 9. So this is 4 times 1 plus 9 plus 4 cubed. So that's 4 times 4, that's 16. Whatever the heck 16 times 3 is. I don't even know what 16 times 3 is. I gotta do that. 6 times 3, that's 18. 3, okay, that's 48. Plus 48 over 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So that all over 8. The numerator simplifies to, okay, so that's 40. 40 plus 48. 40 plus 48 over 8. 40 plus 48 is, okay, well, 4 plus 4, so that's 128? 128 over 8? What is that? Freaking long division. I don't remember how to do long division. Oh my god. Well, I do, but okay, I'll just take it in 8th grade. Yeah, no, Blue, at least for me, the process with getting into living environment was like, I don't even know. Like, I didn't take any test for it or anything, but I just got like a letter, literally just got a letter in the mail saying, hey, you got accepted for living environment because I did well in 7th grade science. So yeah, if you do well in 7th grade science, get high grades in it, you can be inducted. Like, will they calculate your marking period grades? You know, yeah, I think generally, yes. They do take your overall class average. That's wrong math. Is it? Well, okay, Trey Master, have I been doing this right so far? Because I could have messed up at some point. Because this is like, I know how to do order of operations, but I could have made a mindless mistake, especially because it's Friday after break. 128 over 8, I'm sure that simplifies, but I don't freaking remember long division. Hold on, what did I say? 4 cubed. Where's the 4 cubed? Why the hell did I do 16 times 3? Oh my god. That's such a dumb mistake. Oh my god. You're right, STP. Oh my god. That's 4. So this is 40 plus, God, 64. That's embarrassing. I don't know about embarrassing, but you can just tell that my brain's not really working right now. The final answer should be 13. Okay, let's see if I can get 13 out of that. So this is 64 plus 40. 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. So that is 40 plus, okay, 104 over 8. Let me just do 104 times 8. No. God, how does that work? No, 8 times 13, and I'll see if that's 104. So that's 13 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 plus 1, that's 10. 104. Yeah, so the final answer is 13. I just did that with guess and check because STP said that it was 13. So yeah, there you go. There's math. I think it's a little bit, I don't know if I want to say embarrassing, but the fact that I'm literally in calculus and I freaking messed up on 4 to the power of 3, that's great. I mean, especially considering we don't even use calculators in the class, like, oh my god. I just did freaking optimization and derivatives and stuff and graphing functions without a calculator, and now we're going to do integrals, and I can't do 4 to the power of 3. Fun stuff. I don't know why. Well, I mean, no. It was just a dumb mistake, because for some reason I multiplied 16 by 3. I don't know why. Don't know why I did that. You did. You did, STV. I mean, otherwise, at least I got the procedure down. You did. I got the procedure down. I know what to do, but problem is I don't know why the hell I did 16 times 3. Here, maybe I can show you some calculus or something, maybe for fun. I don't know. If you want to see that, if anyone's interested. I don't know why the hell we're doing It's the first day of spring break, for God's sake. Why are we doing math here? Well, we always do math when Ryan's here. We always do math. I don't know why. Ryan did it. All right. Did it the right way. Okay. Yeah, here I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm a little bit of a potato with math, but yes and no. I don't know. I mean, I like math. I like it more than I did, let's say, like in 9th grade. Friggin' no, 8th grade I liked it, but like 6th, 7th grade, like 6th and 7th grade I freaking hated math. Honestly. I literally remembered thinking in 6th grade, 75, 82, 90, my marking period grades. I can calculate what that is for if you want. What your overall is. But that 90 though, the fact that you got a 90 though, it shows improvement. So I think that's something that they look for, which is good. I stopped the video and looked at the problem and I just did mental math there. Okay. Yeah, you can probably do mental math as well, but show my work. 75 plus 82 plus 90. That is an 82.3. So yeah, Blue, I think if you have an overall average plus 4th marking period, you don't know what you're going to get. So if you suppose you get another 90 for that, that's going to be even better for you. So it's going to be this plus another 90. Let's just say you get another 90. That boosts it up more. That's an 84 now. 84.7. No, 84.25. So that's good. I think if you get at least an overall average of an overall science average of a B. I mean, I don't know how your school will do it, but I'd imagine that would be pretty sufficient for living environment. Here, yeah, while we're at it, we can do some calculus, because, like, why the heck not? I would just say similar. Okay. All right, thanks. Yeah, sure, Blue. No problem. Well, so we'll do some calculus for fun, even though we already do it. The next train is Southeast. This is the train is Southeast. The next station is Harlem on 25th Street. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so obviously none of you are in calculus, but yeah, we'll do some calculus for fun. I don't know why. I just kind of want to. Let's do, okay, so this is a relatively simple implicit differentiation problem, just because we can, why not? I'm just writing it down. Minus y equals x to the 6th, okay. I know no one cares about this, but we'll do this anyway. Okay, so right here, this is implicit differentiation. So we want to find the derivative of this here. I somewhat understand something about it. I just suck. Oh, plus I'm lazy. Okay. Well, you got the problem, right? You corrected my mistake there. Okay, so anyway, we got to find the derivative of this. We're gonna solve with respect to x. All right, so we want to find the derivative of whatever that is. Well, actually, no, not f prime. That's just f of x. But we want to find the derivative of this. So, or actually, we want to find dy dx technically. Oh yeah, I might be able to take. Okay, that's nice if you do. All right, so let's say, so this would be, so power rule right here, so 2y to the third would be 6y squared dy dx. 4x squared would be 8x, that's a dx over dx, minus y, so that's just a minus 1 dy dx equals 6x to the 5th. Yeah, okay, equals 6x to the 5th. So we actually, no, because that's not, we don't need that right there. Okay, I have to eat dinner now. Well, let's see anything. Thing is, oh, you don't want to. I think you can just drop out of it, but I think algebra is actually like easier. I had an easier time in algebra 1 than I did in living environment, just saying. As you leave the train, yeah, as you leave the train. Let's see if I can finish this really quickly. Okay, so what can I do here? This is a 6x to the 5th, so I can just add this, or subtract this from both sides. Yeah, I'm coming. Just want to quickly finish this. Dy dx, 6y squared minus 1 is on that side equals 6x to the 5th minus 8x. I know no one understands this. This is some algebra here, by the way. Next year is pre-algebra. Okay, pre-algebra. I think pre-algebra and algebra 1 is essentially the same thing. Okay, so now we just divide by this on both sides. So now dy dx of whatever this is 6x to the 5th minus 8x over 6y squared minus 1. There you go. So there's some calculus for you. So yeah, you guys are talking about algebra here. I don't know why the hell I'm doing calculus. Just like how a New Haven train would to Stamford. Next stop for Southeast train is White Plains. Yeah, but the thing is, like with the Harlem line, right? You have White Plains and North White Plains as well. So you have those two stations there. Those are the two major stations. Don't understand what the calculus? Yeah, of course you don't. I'm not expecting you to, because you're not in algebra 1 yet. You're in 7th grade math. No way in hell I would have understood calculus, if you're talking about that at least. Station is Harlem on 25th Street. Okay, anyway, I gotta eat dinner. So yeah, there's my calculus. You can put this into like Mathway or something, and then solve for this in respect to x. Or y, I forget what it is. No, dy over dx. So with respect to x, derive with respect to y. And then you should get that. If you enter this in here, you should get that, hopefully. Okay, well, anyway, I gotta end the stream here. So Ryan is not doing any stream today, so I guess that's final event from, me, Ryan, like us. Okay, well, anyway, so I'm gonna end this right here. Okay. Gonna end this right here. I don't know why the heck my dad just called me. It's literally been like maybe not even a minute. Blue, I gotta end. Hang up. Okay, so I gotta go, Blue. So sorry. I'll see you. I'll see you guys later. I'm sorry with the waits. I'll see you later, Blue. See you later, Blue. Type it quickly. Whatever you want to say. Peace. All right, bye, Trimmaster. I gotta end blue. I'm sorry. I'll see you later. Bye. Didn't end.